For Jamaicans living abroad, receiving a care package is one of the best feelings we can ever have. My mom would sometimes send me care packages while I was living in China, so I knew what to expect when receiving a package in Zimbabwe. Or so I thought. So I'm here at the airport. I've gotten my National Biotech Import Permit. They required port health to inspect it. They required duties. Now, this was all a surprise to me because I was expecting to receive my package through the post because Mom had sent the package through the Jamaican Postal Service. But as you'll see, that's not what happened. Now, let me clarify from the jump, guys. This problem was caused because my mom had to use the fast track service offered by the Jamaica Post. That was the only service that would deliver the package to Zimbabwe in a reasonable amount of time. The other services do not ship to Zimbabwe. However, no one at the post office bothered to explain to her that using the fast track meant using DHL, and using DHL meant more expenses and a more complicated clearing process. We ended up driving back and forth to and from the airport for 2 days, trying to make headway with this clearing process. Each time there'd be a new document that would be required and that I had to pay for. It was just stressful. I was stressed, Babe was stressed. He didn't think all this effort was worth a small, such a small package. Ended up having to clear the care package that mommy sent me on my own. She sent it through the post office in Jamaica, where them said they offer fast track service through the postal service, right? But I think them engaged the services at DHL, and it was delivered to DHL here in Zimbabwe. But the whole clearing process, not as easy as I expected it to be for a personal package. I don't know what happened, but it wasn't easy. It wasn't as simple. Oh, your mom has sent you a package, you've come to collect it, here you go, pay a little duty on it if there's need, and you can go. No, because there were food items in the box. They required port health to inspect it. I had to pay for that. They required duties, so I had to pay duties on the items. The process of receiving the package was definitely not the same as it is at home. It's not as simple, or it wasn't as simple for me for a personal package. So I hope next time, maybe there are a few things that perhaps the DHL in Jamaica never do right, or here, I'm not sure where the issue would be. But I hope next time, now that I've gotten to see exactly how the process is, I hope next time it would be a simpler process. So I don't know if anybody from Zimra and customs here watching, and DHL and all those people involved. Zimbabwe does have foreigners living here, and sometimes we do get small packages from home, and yeah, if it could be more lenient, that would be great. I hope for next time things can be done, both on the Jamaican side and this side, can be done more efficiently. So we'll move on to opening the package. Let's see what mommy sent. I was so excited about getting this thing, I forgot to do an unboxing. So I already took out some of the things anyway. But yeah, so I got some coconut milk, bun, and cheese, puff soup, mac and cheese, of course, some air oil, yeah, seasoning, all-purpose, browning, Lasco, and some snacks. I love these when I get home. And she sent these for kids as well. Yeah, so small little care package. But I'm most excited about my bun and cheese. For my Jamaicans watching, you already know what a clock strike. For those who are not Jamaican, bun, and I have the cheese here. Oh, great, babe. You're here right in time. This is your official introduction to Jamaican tasty cheese. Tasty is the brand. So, have you... Oops. Please don't ask me why the cheese is in a tin. That's just the way it is. Is it open?
Yeah, pretty much
almost
open. No?
Yeah.
Why would you put cheese in a... Put cheese in a can? Why don't you just put it in a normal?
Maybe it has something to do with preserving. I guess. Maybe. Anyway, guys, yeah. This is what the cheese looks like. Straight out of Jamaica.
How can you get rich cheese from poor cows? Because...
What do you mean, poor cows?
Because the way the beef in Jamaica tastes, like Zim beef is better than Jamaican beef.
Yeah, I'm sure that, guys, you've heard him say this before, right? Yeah, we get it. Zim beef is better. But Jamaican cheese is better. Okay, so this is the bun. I'm gonna show you how we eat it, babe. And then you bite. Taste of home. It's not a big deal, but when you've missed it for a while, it's just good. So yeah, guys, thanks, mommy. It was a hassle to get it, but I'm happy now. Is it good or not? Not?
It's an unfamiliar taste to me.
You're a hater. You need to know what bun and cheese tastes like, okay? It's called bun and cheese. Yeah, yummy, right? Bite. Bite. Take a bite. No? Not yummy? Bun and cheese wasn't the only goodie in that box. If you're Jamaican, you know, so this is a must have in a care package, better pack curry. So I'm gonna make some curry chicken and curry goat. It's definitely not like the curry that they have here. It's different, right? You can even smell it through the packaging. So super excited. Thank you, mommy. And this is why it was worth the hassle. From grandma. Yeah. Let's open. Let's open. From grandma. Open. Yeah. Yeah. Say thank you, grandma, for the pencil and for the book. Very nice. And the crayons from grandma. Yeah. Oh, she sent you cute little shorts. From grandma too. Do you like them? Look. From grandma. Here. From grandma. Yeah. Tell grandma thank you. Thankfully, it all worked out in the end. We hope this serves as a cautionary tale to carefully research all mailing options and their drawbacks before using their services to ship to countries in Africa.